Hey everyone, how you doing? Ron here with How Do I? So the title is a little clickbaitish, but these types of tools are making people money, and I'm going to show you later on in the video, as well as taking our jobs. Now check out this video that I made, this AMA style video. Watch how real this looks and the type of interview style after post editing, how I made this look like an actual live AMA interview, an ask me anything type of interview. And this is just one character out of 50 or 100 characters that I could select from, different types of voices, different tone and more. So let's check out the AMA interview that I made completely with 100% AI.
So how has YouTube been for you lately? When you say AI has taken off so fast, what do you mean?
Yeah, YouTube's been keeping me very busy. Been doing a lot of videos, been in the grind 24/7. So when I say AI has been taking over very fast, like if you look at all the companies that are developing on AI and just putting the amount of money and resources into software, whether it's generative or prompt engineering, it just blows my mind.
Is it mostly ChatGPT that you're using, or
I do use a lot of ChatGPT, but it's not the only tool. There's probably like 1,000 other tools that you haven't heard, whether it's for lead generation, generative, video AI, images, clip art, design, video, the list goes on and on.
so I guess people interested in making money can also use this tool to create UGC style type of video spokesperson gigs.
Well, this example right here, this AI video was actually created with HeyGen. HeyGen's such a great tool. I use it all the time. I think it's going to be replacing a lot of jobs in the service industry. Not completely, but there will be a place for it.
Awesome. Thanks, Ron. I really appreciate you taking the time to chat with me. Thanks again, and I'll speak to you later.
Yeah, no problem at all. Thanks again. Thanks for having me on. So that was the power of AI and what's to come. And this is just one tool that I use for AI and video content creation. Now I'm going to show you on my screen where people are making money doing UGC style type of videos to make money. And I do have a free course down below. It's on my Stand store, and I'm going to be adding to it. Right now there's 2 modules on it, but I continue to add it when I have time, when I'm not making videos. So check it out. It's free down below. Get it. And as soon as you have any questions, or if you want me to add more ways or any ideas, just let me know and I'll add to it. Just write some comments down below. So let's get into how these people are actually making money with this type of style video. Okay, so if you come over to this site called Fiverr, and I'm pretty sure many of you have heard of Fiverr, but if you look at this and you do a search up here for AI spokesperson and come over to this person's gig, and you can look at his reviews. He's got 148 reviews. He's got 1 order in queue. Yes, it does start at $5, but I'm pretty sure that that's only for 150 words. And if you look at the premium, he's got 1,200 words with animated images and text included. So the $5 is just to get them in. The premium is probably what most people order, or they order custom orders, which usually is lengthier. But to do this, it is very fast. And I'm going to show you this in HeyGen itself.
You could imagine you are on the right place.
So here's an example of the video of what they're offering.
If you order my gig.
If you are looking for a way to advertise, explain your idea or product, increase your sales, or anything you could imagine, you are on the right place.
The video services I offer could be performed by different models for more targeted influence over your audience.
Now, if you look at the characters, that is exactly the first one. And this girl right here is right here.
I offer 3 packages, depending on your needs.
And this person right there is right here. And I'm going to show you how quickly it is to use HeyGen. So once you subscribe to HeyGen, all you do is come over to create a video. I'm going to create a video. I'm going to click on avatar, and you can select either portrait or landscape. In this example, I'm just going to create a portrait video. And now I could select either from professional or casual. So I'm going to select a random character over here. Actually, let's use the same character that person used. I'm going to come over here, click here, and now you come over to script. Now you can move this wherever you'd like. I'm going to come over to script next, and I'm just going to put, hey, welcome to my gig. Now if you put a exclamation mark or a question mark, it will change the tone of voice. Now once you have this here, you can just click on play, and it will spit out how he sounds.
Hey, welcome to my gig.
Now, if you don't like the sound of Carter Lee, what you can do is come over here, click on Carter Lee, And now what we can do is we can go to HeyGen library and filter out by the type of accent, whether you want a Canadian, Australian, English, the emotion. Do you want them excited, friendly, serious, soothing? So I'm going to select excited, select male as my filter. Now the use cases, do you want it conversational, or do you want it ads and social, or do you want it as a narrative story? So I'm going to select this, and now it's going to present me with all of the findings which I can sample and play. So I'll select this.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Now what I like to do is I like to look at the age so it matches the person's face, as well as type, whether it's explainer or is it for audiobooks, etc. So I want to look, and you could filter this all out here at the top. And what I like to do, like I mentioned, I like to just go through all of these and see which one matches to the best of my ability here.
Hello, this is how I sound.
Let's skip that one.
Hello, this is how I sound.
Hello, this is how I sound.
Hello, this is how...
So I'm going to use Fresh Fin. Now all I'm going to do is select this. And now you can see I got Fresh Fin. Hey, welcome. And I put in my script, hey, welcome to my gig. I appreciate you taking a peek at my offer. Now I'm going to put the exclamation mark so it changes the tone. Now I'm going to press on play and just listen to how it sounds.
Hey, welcome to my gig. I appreciate you taking a peek at my offer.
So now that is finished. I could either submit this or I can add another scene to it. And all you have to do is click on scene. You select the avatar if you'd like. Over here, come over here, select the avatar, and you go through the same steps, selecting the avatar and then the script. So you would add the script. But for now, I'm just going to delete this, and I'm just going to submit this part. And all you have to do is click on submit. You could title the video. I'm just going to call this Fresh Fin Fiverr. My videos. Now you could take off the HeyGen watermarking depending on your plan. I'm gonna submit this, and I'm just gonna pause the video, and we'll come back. So right now it's pending, and it'll say right now it's 40%. So this is very fast. So I'm gonna pause the video, and we're gonna see how it sounds later on. Okay, so now that it's finished, it's over here, and I'm just gonna click on it, and we could listen to it.
Hey, welcome to my gig. I appreciate you taking a peek at my offer.
Now that sounds pretty good. Let's listen to that again.
Hey, welcome to my gig. I appreciate you taking a peek at my offer.
Now what I can do is I can download the original video now. So I can download it, open it, and that's how I edited my video. But in post-production, I just took everything into Camtasia, or you could put it into Final Cut Pro, or the tool that you're most familiar with. And if you wanted me to make this video underneath the free stand store, just let me know in the comments. So that's how you do this type of AMA UGC style. And I personally think that AI is going to disrupt jobs. I think it's going to make things better. I think people are just going to have to adapt and embrace AI. And when AI does come, I think it's going to create a lot of job opportunities. But at the same time, it's going to make more companies more productive. Bottom line, it will get rid of some jobs, but at the same time, it's going to create a lot of opportunities. I think people are just going to have to adapt, learn, and go from there. So anyways, I hope you liked the video. Again, like always, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.